Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. It is November, and today, if everything goes right, today is November the 16th. We are on a 12-day cruise, and I will update y'all when I come back. I'm sure I'll probably do some kind of a live or something like that to update you regarding my cruise. So I am recording this a little bit early because I wanted to make sure I have it all done and send it out, because guess what it is? It is a collab. It's just not only a collab, it's a Friendsgiving collab. Yay! So it's a Friendsgiving collab, and I am joined by 6 other women, and let me let you know who they are now. The coordinator of this is Missy from Missy's Beauty and Luxury, and coming along with her is her daughter Madison from Madison's Makeup World, and I believe they'll probably do it on Missy's channel together. We have Raelle from Raelle's Closet. We have Maria from Maria Loves Luxury. We have Cami from Cami's Closet. And we have a special guest. We have Dawn, we refer to her as Dawn Donuts. In the comments, you will see her as Dawn Donuts. And she is a viewer. She has become a close friend with all of us. And Missy invited her to come on in to the collab, and she so graciously accepted. And give you in a little sneak peek is that I was her Friendsgiving. We drew names, and I drew her name. What she did is open up her gifts for me and sent me pictures, and I'll insert the pictures here for y'all somewhere in the video. I'll insert pictures of what I gave her, and it looks like she was excited about it. She did have her daughter video it, but it was like over 5 minutes long, and she was unable to send it via email, and she really didn't know how to edit and all that kind of stuff. So we're doing pictures. So thank goodness her daughter had the wherewithal to realize, let's do pictures too. So she took pictures. So yay. So we'll show that here in a little bit. And then number 7 is me, Dee Dee Bean, the lucky 7. When you are done watching my video, please go over and watch all of their videos if you're coming from their channels. Thank you for coming, and welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our channels. Hit the thumbs up button, comment, all that fun stuff, and I would greatly appreciate it. So if you're just not into subscribing or anything like that, or you don't know what to comment, put 7 turkeys down in the comment box and let me know that you are here, and it allows me to see you, that you are here and you are watching and enjoying the content. Okay, so enough of all of that housekeeping. Let's get on with what you're here for. Okay, welcome back, Bean Beauties. I have a box here. Okay. Yay. So it's kind of a big box, and I don't know who it's from. We were asked to keep things a secret from ourselves and to try to engage the help of a family or friend to help just receive the box. So when we were all mailing the boxes, we all kind of said, okay, our boxes have been mailed, and you know, have a loved one check the mailbox for you. So I think this particular one, I think my husband found it, and when it came at the door, he says, it has something, it says something like friends or something, or I don't know. And I said, oh, that's my Friendsgiving one. Hold on. So I asked him to put it upside down in my studio so I could, whoa, sorry y'all. I'm just using a small little space because I'm still trying to get things done, and I've done a couple of marathon unboxings, so things are just everywhere. Here is how it looks like. It's packed, lots of goodies. Looks like there's, now we did have some rules. It was supposed to be in the $40 range. Oh, $40. You're not supposed to go over $40. And you're not, you know, you're not supposed to go under $40, so you're supposed to stay in the $40 range. That's what we're supposed to try to do. And we'll see what happens. So hopefully, I'm going to look to see, because I bet you if there's a card along with it. I didn't send a card with mine. I never do, I always forget. I always intend to, and then I forget. So let me see if it's on the bottom, which is on my bottom, but on the top. And it is, yay! It says Dee Dee, Friendsgiving. Okay. I wonder if they'll put their name in here. Should I open it before? Oh, well, let's just see. Oh! It says, Beanie, Madison made this just for you. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Madison. If this cheery little greeting adds some sunshine to your day, it's because that's what I wished for when I sent it on its way. Happy Friendsgiving. Love, Madison. Oh, Madison is my Friendsgiving giver. Yay! Okay, so let's get into it. I'm excited. So here is a little trinket tray. Love it. I love to display my SLGs in here. I love these kinds of things. Somebody's been watching my videos, and this will go good in my drawers too. So then I could just pull it out. Then here is, she handmade a gift for me. Oh, I'm so excited, Madison. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a pumpkin. Oh, my goodness. I'm glad I'm opening this now, because then I can hang this up. It is beautiful. Look at that. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. You did a great job, Madison. Let me set it right here. All right, look at that. Thank you, Madison. That is gorgeous. I love handmade items. Thank you so much. And here is some flowers and a vase. Oh, Madison. And here is a jug. Look at that. It's like a drinking jug, but I'm assuming that I get to put the flowers in here. Yes, look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. Madison, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. I love my pumpkin and my decor. Let's see, is that where it goes? I wanted y'all to, yeah, y'all can see it. Y'all can see it in the shot still. It's right here. And I believe that is everything in here. Yes, thank you so much, Madison. You did a wonderful job. I love that pumpkin. I love those beads. I love the fact that you made them with your own two little hands. It's such a sweet gesture. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And happy Thanksgiving to you. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. I greatly appreciate it. Now, don't forget, I am putting in this section, I am going to put in some video montage of the gift that I gave Dawn Donuts. I've got to know her through the years, through the comments. I even influenced her to buy a bag. She said, Dee, you made me buy it. And I've gotten to see pictures of it and pictures of her modeling it. So it may or may not have something to do with that certain bag that I influenced her to buy. So once again, thank you very much, everybody. Come and watch this. Gave to Dawn from Dawn's Donuts, and then I will come right back, okay? Thank you for coming back. I hope that you enjoyed the little snippets of what I gave Dawn Donuts for her Friendsgiving gift from me. We had her main gift and a few little extras that I threw in there for her because she's just been such a valuable friend to my channel and has been very supportive. So I greatly appreciate it, and hopefully that she'll continue to do so. If you have made it this far, Bean Beauties, why don't you put down, give me 7 pumpkins. Yes, give me 7 pumpkins down in the comment box, so I know you made it this far. And if you're not one that likes to comment or what have you, then 7 pumpkins will do the trick, so I can see you and know that you're here. Okay, so don't forget, who I collaborated with. I collaborated with Missy from Missy's Beauty and Luxury. I collaborated with Madison from Madison's Makeup World, and she was my Friendsgiver. Thank you, Madison. You did a fabulous job making my gifts. I greatly appreciate it. And the little extras that you threw in. We also have Ray L from Ray L's Closet, and we have Maria from Maria Loves Luxury. We have Cammie from Cammie's Closet, and then of course Dawn from Dawn's Donuts. And there's me. That makes 7. There's 7 of us. So I greatly appreciate you being here and seeing me. If you're here from their channels, thank you once again for coming over to visit me here for this collab. And don't forget to go over and see them. Tell them I sent you. Tell them that you were here. Tell them, you know, a little bit of what you saw over here, and I'll greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like to all of it, so we can continue to bring fun collabs like this through our content. But the only way we can do that is if we keep growing, and it keeps us here coming back. So do me a favor, in case you missed it, I have a great video that I'm going to put up here. So in case you missed the fact that I had a Chanel haul. Yes, I had a Chanel haul. Me, little old me, I had a Chanel haul. So I'll put this here, and you can continue watching. And after you watch that, then go over and watch the rest of my friends' videos and let them know that I sent you over there. Beanbeautis, thank you so much for being here with me, for taking the time out. And in this month of November, which we are often reminded to be thankful, I am thankful for each and every one of you. Every one of you who comes and watches my videos, even if it's for, you know, a minute or two, I greatly appreciate it. And I am so thankful to have you. And I never would have thought just a year ago that I would be here where I am now. And it's all because you have allowed me to do that, and you have helped me grow. Thank you very much. Love y'all, Beanbeautis. Bye-bye.